This is Weasel News.
Buy Big Log cereal. Who doesn't love Big Logs in the morning? A fiery explosion in Northwood. Police are concerned that terrorism is the cause of a huge explosion at a fuel depot in Northwood earlier. All of the casualties were known associates of the Ancelotti crime family, including senior capo Anthony Tony Black Spoleto. However, police are convinced this is not another example of organized crime running out of control and have requested additional anti-terror funds from Congress.
In real estate news, despite a recent wobble, the market in Liberty City remains one of the strongest in the country. This despite the terrible rise in crime and low quality of life index scores in the city. The reason some analysts say is obvious. The rest of the country is really boring and nobody in their right mind would want to live there. Either way, we hope prices stay high and it keeps the riff-raff out of town and in the suburbs where they belong. Of course, we're talking about minorities.
Tiny internet entrepreneur and wannabe Algonquin playboy Tony McTony today announced he was going to sue LC24 magazine when it described him as a Napoleonic twit on account of his tiny stature and overbearing manner. Mr. McTony commented,
"It just ain't right. Napoleon was 5'2", whereas Tony McTony is 5'3", so it ain't the same at all. Plus, I ain't never lost a war in Russia, and I got a better logo."
We will stay on this important news story. This is Weasel News.
This is Weasel News.